Hi everyone, I like to quickly introduce my group members. The first one is Sharini Deviana Robert. The second one Nurul Hadratul Nadira binti Azmi. The third one is Zelina Mau Hector anak Britain. And lastly me Nurul Syafika binti Abdullah. The definition of Atterberg limit test. The Atterberg limits are a basic measure of the nature of fine-grained soil. Depending on the water content of the soil, it may appear in four states: solid, semi-solid, plastic, and liquid. In each state, the consistency and behavior of soil is different, and thus so are its engineering properties. Thus, the boundary between each state can be defined based on a change in the soil behavior. The Atterberg limits can be used to distinguish between silt and dare, and it can distinguish between different types of silt and clays. This limit were created by Albert Atterberg, a Swedish chemist. They were later refined by Arthur Casangren. The objective of Atterberg limit test is to determine the value of liquid limit, plastic limit, and plastic index of soil. And knowing that the determination of this limit is also used to predict the shear strength and sediment soil.
My name is Sharini Deviana Robert. A metric number is 05DKA20F1016. So today we would like to present the step of Atterberg limits. The first step is click on container in the apparatus menu to add a container to the workspace. Next, click on soil sample in the apparatus menu to add a soil sample container. Click on water in the apparatus menu to add water to the soil-filled container. Click on the soil to mix the soil with the water. Click on Casangren apparatus in the apparatus menu to add a Casangren cup to the workspace. So I would like to pass the next step to Hadratul.
Okay, I'm going to continue the presentation for step Atterberg limit. Click on container to move the soil to the Casangren apparatus as a soil pad. Next, click on Casangren apparatus to cut a groove in the soil pad. Click on the Casangren apparatus to rotate the cup. Finally, determine the water container of the soil sample. Observation sample number 0, water content 22.59, number of drop 32, sample number 1, water content 26.05, number of drop 27, sample number 2 29.08, number of drop 19, sample number 3, water content 31.08, number of drop 20. That's all from us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hasanina Mau, an actor Britain. So the discussion that I get from Atterberg limit test is this testing method is used as an integral part of several engineering classification system to characterize the fine-grained fraction of soil and to specify the fine-grained fraction of construction materials. The liquid limit, plastic limit, and plasticity index of soils are also used extensively, either individually or together, with other soil properties to correlate with engineering behavior, such as compressibility, permeability, compactability, shrink well, and shear strength. So the conclusion for Atterberg limit test that I get is the subject of the study is the liquid limit, that is an empirically determined state at which a transition from a solidly plastic to liquid states occurs. Therefore, after it achieving, soil starts to behave as a liquid substance. The liquid limit measurement is principal especially for finding consistency states playing a decisive role for determining the key standard characteristic of soils, representing important geotechnical parameters of fine-grained soils for investigation of the so-called first geotechnical category. In conclusion, before realization of the test, the sample set up for 24 hours for the purpose of even distribution of moisture.